Hello everybody, I'm Kunal. Welcome to my class. As in previous class, we have discussed the basic concepts of probability, and as I have told you that this chapter carrying 4 marks in board exam, and these 4 marks are divided into 2 parts, 1 plus 3. So here today we shall discuss which type of questions can be asked from this topic probability in board exam. So I will try to cover all the possible questions which can be asked in board exam from this topic probability. So at the first, from the basic concept of probability, which type of questions can be asked. So first, you must know the formula of probability of an event A. It is what? M by N. Yes. Where M is the number of outcomes favorable to that desired event A, and where N is the total number of outcomes of the experiment, that random experiment, as we have discussed in previous class. Now, next, second, what is the probability of sure event? Instead of sure event, it can be asked certain event also. So the probability of sure event or certain event is 1. It can be asked in board exam carrying 1 mark. Next, what is the probability of impossible event? So the probability of impossible event is 0. For writing 0, you will get 1 mark. Next, fourth, what is the sum of probability of all the elementary events of a random experiment? So the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events and so on is always 1. What is the possible value of M? So M is equal to or more than 0 but less than or equal to N. This is the limit of N, where N is what? Number of favorable outcomes of desired event of any experiment, and N is total number of outcomes. Sixth, what is the limit of a probability? So the limit of probability is what? So probability of an event can be 0, it may be more than 0, it may be equal to 1, and it may be less than 1. Means from 0 to 1 you can think about probability of an event. Next, 7, the sum of probability of an event and the probability of negation of that event, you can say not A, is also 1. So from this, question carrying 1 mark can be asked in board exam. Now we shall take some experiments, and based on these experiments, which type of questions can be asked. So at the first, we shall discuss about color based questions. First, we shall discuss about color based questions. Like, color based questions can be asked from marbles, balls, like this. So here, let us take an example. You have a bag. Just try to understand. You have a bag of carrying 3 red marbles and 5 green marbles. Just try to understand it. We have a bag of carrying 3 red marbles and 5 green marbles. Instead of marbles, you can take balls also, like 3 red balls and 5 green balls. Are you getting? Only you have to change marbles to balls, balls to marbles. Process same. Now next one. So how many balls or how many marbles are there in this bag? 3 red marbles and 5 green marbles. So the total number of marbles is what? 8. That is what? N. So here N is what? Because total number of marbles we have 8. Are you getting? Now you have to define the desired event. So first, if the event is getting a red marble. So if you take out one marble from this bag randomly, then without looking into the bag, if you take out one marble from it, then what is the probability of getting a red marble? So the event A is what? Getting a red marble. So you have to think about the number of red marbles in this bag. So in this bag we have 3 red marbles. So for this event A, M is what? 3. For this event N is what? 8. Now we have to find the probability. So probability of the event A getting a red marble is, follow the formula, M by N. So it is what? 3 by 8. After taking the values of M and N, check whether these two numbers are divisible by any common number or not. Like here we have 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are co-primes. These two numbers are not divisible by any other number, any other common number. Means we have, other than 1 we don't have any number which can divide 3 and 8 both. So that's why this is the standard form of rational number. So this is the value of probability. This is our required answer. Next, instead of getting red marble, if I ask you for getting green marble, then for green marbles M will be 5, then probability will be 5 by 8. Are you getting? Next, question can be asked from negation of the event also. So if I ask you what is the probability, now the event is what? Not getting a red marble. Not getting a red marble means it is what? Negation of the event. So for red marble we have the probability. What is it? 3 by 8. So here probability of not A will be 1 minus, change its side, look at the formula. Not A we have to find. So 1 minus probability of the event. So 1 minus 3 by 8. What will we get? 8 common denominator. 8 ones are 8. You know how to solve this? If not, then classes from 6 to 8 basic maths, there you can understand how to solve these operations on rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Now 8 minus 3 you have 5 by 8. Like this you can obtain the event not getting a red marble. Have you understood? Instead of marbles it can be asked from balls also. So I hope you have understood color based questions from this chapter probability. Now next we shall discuss about flavor based questions, and already we have taken this example in basic concepts also. So you can write it, and if you have any doubt from this topic you can ask me. Just write it. Yes, next we shall discuss about flavor based questions, as we have discussed in our basic concepts also. So flavor basic question. You have a bag carrying lemon flavored candies, mango flavored candies, orange flavored candies, like this. Suppose you have lemon flavored 5 candies, mango flavored you have 8 candies, and orange flavored you may have 7 candies. Then if I define the desired event to be getting a lemon flavored candy, so before it you have to find the total number of possible outcomes. So in this bag, how many candies do we have? So 5, 8, 13 and 7. How much? 20 candies we have. From this bag, without looking into it, if we take out one candy randomly, then what is the probability of getting a lemon flavored candy? So how many lemon flavored candies we have? 5. So probability of it will be 5 by 20. Now, can we say it is the final answer? No. Why? Because 5 and 20 are not co-primes. 5 and 20 are divisible by one common number, and that is what? Yes, it is 5. So you will get 1 by 4. Next, for getting mango flavored candy, so event B, what will we have? 8 by 20. See, mango flavored 8. These are divisible by 4. 2 times, 5 times. Getting? Then next, of getting C, so you will have 7 by 20. Look at this, orange flavored 7. So like this you can obtain probability of the event. Next, based on year, days. So you may have leap year also. See, we will follow both the cases. So in this case, in normal year you will have 365 days, and here you will have 366 days. Just try to understand. Questions will be asked to you based on having 53 Sundays or not having 53 Sundays, having 53 Mondays and not having 53 Mondays, like this in both cases. Here, if we think about number of weeks, so for that you will have to divide 365 by 7. So how many times? 5 times, 35, 1, 15, 2 times, 14 and 1. Means 365 is divided by 7, 52 times with the remainder 1. Means 52 times 7 you have, means 52 weeks we have. 52 weeks means 52 Sunday, 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesdays, like this, 52 Saturdays. And what about this remaining one? Remainder one. So we have 1 day extra. Means if it is Sunday, then we will have 53 Sundays and rest 52 days. 52 Tuesdays, Saturdays, Fridays, like this. So to find the probability of 53 Sundays, so this extra 1 day, 52 weeks and 1 day. Here we have 366 days, means here what will we have? 52 weeks and 2 days. Now first we shall think about total possible outcomes. So this extra 1 day may be Sunday. Any date can be. Just try to understand. So these are possible outcomes. So what is the total number of possible outcomes? 7. So here n we have 7. Now about 53 Sundays. For 53 Sundays. So in this list, how many times do we have Sunday? Only one time. So probability of the event will be 1 by 7 for 53 Sundays. This is the event of having 53 Sundays in a year. Now, not having 53 Sundays, question can be asked like this also. Then in this case, what will we have? Probability of not A. So, how many outcomes are favorable to negation of this event having Sunday? So 6 outcomes. See, in this 6 we don't have Sunday. So for this the probability will be 6 by 7. Are you getting? Total 7 possible outcomes. For 53 Sundays it is 1 by 7. Not having 53 Sundays, sorry, here S will be, yes, it will be 6 by 7. In case of leap year, you know leap year means 366 days, 52 weeks, and if it is 366 then we will have remainder 2. So here we have 2 days. 2 days means we will have 2 consecutive days. Consecutive means continuously. So these 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday. Like this you will have. And last Friday, Saturday and Saturday, Sunday. See, if we have 2 extra days, then we will have Sunday, Monday means we will have a pair, set of 2. So for 53 Sundays, if the event is 53, so the total number of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So look at this. How many times we have Sunday in this list? If it is Sunday, Monday, and if it is Saturday, Sunday. So in these 2 cases we have Sunday, means in these 2 cases Sunday can be 53 times. So for this probability of the event of getting or of having 53 Sundays, it will be 2 by 7 because we have 2 favorable outcomes. Next, not having 53 Sundays, then how many outcomes? In which outcome we don't have Sunday? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 by 7. So in this class we have discussed about 3 types of questions: color based, flavor based and number of days based. In next class we shall discuss about tossing coin and drawing dice and taking card from pack of playing cards and whatever remaining. In next class we shall discuss about it. So in this class if you have any doubt you can ask me, and the students of class 8, 9, 10 they can easily understand this topic. So thank you so much.